Architecture is not just made of big gesture, big building, iconic building. A building could become iconic because it will become maybe representative or very interesting for a location, but they should not born iconic. I mean, I don't like when we have people approaching us, we want to have an iconic building in I don't know where. This is kind of a thing, it's quite a stupid question. A building could become iconic, if you can use this word in some way. But you don't design something to be iconic. You design something to be correct, to be good for what it is. This is why you design a building. Buildings are for people.
Renzo Piano Building Workshop is an architectural design firm. We work globally. It's a firm that was founded by Renzo Piano, and we are composed of about 150 people, of which there are about 120 architects, based in 2 offices in Paris and in Genoa, Italy. We have a very tactile approach to architecture. I think, if we're talking about the exhibition that's behind us, certainly what we're trying to show in this is a little piece of what we have in our office and how we work, which is with models, with drawings, doing things by hand, holding materials in our hand, really thinking about what projects are composed of. And so there's a relationship between larger scale ideas of what a building should be in the city and how the building is actually built. And these two items come together in sort of a slow and cumulative process.
We needed in some way to present how the office works, and so we had this idea to invent a kind of exhibition that in some way try to bring the people inside of our workshop. Let's make for each table a story from the beginning to the end of the process of the design, by using picture, by using references, by using drawing, by using a lot of models. Because the models in our office are still really a very important part of the design. I mean, when you start to design something that is correct. And then if at the end the people decide it is beautiful, even better. And then sometimes they become iconic. We cannot say that the Shard didn't become an iconic building. Probably the building in Uganda will never be an iconic building, but it is iconic in another way, because it is an hospital for kids in a country where it was impossible to have hospital. It's for people, it's important. It is a passion. Passion drives you to continue to work. Renzo the other day called me for other things and said, when you will be 95, because don't forget that you will be 95, you will take care of this. Okay, maybe, I hope to become 95. But so there is a passion that is like a nuclear engine. Okay, maybe we are a little bit more tired than when I was 40, but it's probably the passion, I think. It's like to go to a therapist to do this job.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.